25 years, well, we've been together 25 years. And I love it down there, I really do.
So now you're comfortable?
Now I'm very comfortable. I'm very happy.
Oh, good. It's good. And it's good within the book. Also, something else new at 81 years of age, political commentary. You're giving an interview about the book, and you wind up making news with you talking about Barack Obama, criticism that you feel may want the country to fail. You taken out of context? What's going on?
Well, that's taken out of context, a lot of it. It was an interview that I made to a reporter by phone in London. And I just got a lot of proportion. I think Obama is the most charismatic politician that we've seen since John F. Kennedy. And I was a great friend of Robert Kennedy, voted for many Democratic presidents. I have nothing absolutely against a liberal Democrat. I just think sometimes, like a lot of Americans, that he might be guiding us in the wrong direction. But that's just from a singer. It doesn't mean much.
Your opinion means as much as any. People look to you as a voice to be listened to and enjoyed, obviously. Let me ask you something, your perspective. Having been in the business a little while now, how do you feel about today's performers? How do you stand up to those of your generation?
I think probably they have started. The experience they have, I think, now over when I first started was they have records. Generally, that's the way they start, on records, and then once they get hit records, then they can go out and play to a larger audience. But I was starting out I didn't have a record. Didn't appreciate what I was doing at all. And it wasn't until I got on the Steve Allen Tonight Show in the mid-50s, and then got some records. I got a record contract that after Steve went off the Tonight Show, I was able to go out and do some, better stuff and get more television exposure. Television became very easy for me. I love doing television.
You are certainly a natural, and you are now a guide for so many others in terms of seeing what they'd like to achieve. Do you think there'll be a next Andy Williams show?
I don't know. Right now they're not buying musical variety shows, as you know, because there's not one on. And I don't know. I think some young cat could come along that sings in a today sort of way that could maybe have a musical variety show in a career.
Listen, if he sings like Andy Williams, I think he'd be in good shape, no matter whether you call him today or tomorrow or cat or a dog.
Yeah.
Mr. Williams, thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Bill. Thank you.
It's a great book, Moon River and Me. You can read it.